Hi, my name is Daniel Holmes.
What up? I'm Ike the Greatest.
My name is Harry Sharp.
I'm Trade Barney.
Success for me is a balance between being consistent with my trading and staying disciplined in all areas of life.
It's staying true to my faith, my grind, and letting my results speak louder than my words.
My main goal is to share my experiences, not my opinions.
Is to build a legacy as a mentor.
With FKB, the Forex Knowledge Base, I get to be a part of a movement where education, mentorship, and community come together.
I get to share that journey inside a community built for real growth,
Where traders can learn, grow, and achieve together.
And the giveaways and bonuses are just the cherry on top.
Make being part of FKB even more motivating for traders who put in the work.
Traders have even more reasons to stay engaged and motivated.